Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious frozen margarita using a machine. First, let's get your machine ready. Carefully assemble all parts, following the manufacturer's guide to ensure everything is secure. Place it on a sturdy, level surface and plug it in safely. A great tip for the best results is to pre-chill all your ingredients. This helps the machine create that perfect, icy texture much faster, making your wait for a refreshing drink shorter. Now, let's craft the perfect margarita mix. For a classic taste, aim for a ratio of 2 parts good quality tequila, 1 part fresh lime juice, and 1 part orange liqueur. Using fresh lime juice truly elevates the flavor, so skip the pre-made stuff if you can. Once your liquid ingredients are in, add ice to the machine. Be sure not to overfill past the maximum line to allow for proper blending and expansion. With your ingredients ready, it's time to blend. Turn on your margarita machine and let it work its magic. Watch as the ice and liquid combine, transforming into a perfectly smooth, slushy consistency. While it's blending, prepare your serving glasses. A salted or sugared rim adds a delightful touch. Once poured, a fresh lime wedge or a fun umbrella makes for a beautiful and inviting presentation, ready for you to enjoy. Sometimes, you might encounter a small hiccup. If your machine seems to be struggling, check if you've added too much ice or not enough liquid. Adjusting these can often solve the problem. Proper cleaning is crucial for your machine's longevity and hygiene, so always follow the manufacturer's cleaning instructions after each use. And speaking of staying refreshed, check out the Oala water bottle link in the description, along with other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly crafted frozen margaritas responsibly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.